Hello and welcome back to Excelsive. Today I have a quick video about extracting tables from a PDF. You might have come across PDF reports which have tables which you may want to put through Excel to maybe analyze better, or maybe you are looking at a publicly available document like population census and want to include that table in your own calculation. You would think that you will be able to simply copy it from the PDF and paste it in Excel, but that is not the right way to do it. Let's have a look at a simple table for today's video. Here we have a PDF file showing the revenue generated by Excelsive Trading Inc. in the year 2023. It has revenue for all the months for all the clients. And if you notice at the end of rows here, it also has a total for each client, and down here it has a total for all the months. But it seems whoever prepared this sheet made a huge mistake because all the month totals are the same, which is highly improbable. Just by looking at the data, I can make a pretty good deduction that this is not right. So what to do? We can't change anything in the PDF. Well, not at least you have some PDF editor like Adobe Acrobat Pro or Nitro PDF. And even then, if the PDF file is locked for editing, you are stuck with errors like this. We can, however, extract this table in Excel and then it's easy to check. So let's do that. I have a blank file opened in Excel and we have to go to our data tab up here, then get data, from file, from PDF. Now navigate to your PDF file and select it. You'll get to this dialog box. On the left, you'll find all the tables Excel has found in our PDF. And since our PDF had only one table, that's mentioned here. Click on it. And on the right, you'll have the table preview come up. By the looks of it, it has imported perfectly, and if we are satisfied, we can click on load here and it will bring the table in Excel. But I want to make some minor corrections. Like up here, our headers are not correct. It says column 1, column 2, column 3, so on and so forth. But we have headers in our PDF and we want to bring them over as they are. Also, we might want to get rid of the total row at the end which we think is not calculated correctly. To make corrections like this, we click on Transform Data here and it will bring you to this window. First things first, we fix our headers. Go up here in Transform Group and click on this little arrow next to Use First Row as Header. And we have two options here. First gives you the choice to use the first row as headers, and the second gives you the option to choose the headers as the first row. We want the first one, so we select that, and here we have our headers fixed. This 1, 2, 3 before the headers means it's a number field, which we can change from up here, data type. Click on the arrow next to it and we will see all these formats. Incidentally, our data is currency, so we can change that to currency. For that, we need to select all these columns with currency. So select the first one, scroll all the way to the end, hold Shift and select the last one. Now go to the data type option and choose currency. Now it's all changed to currency and the same is denoted by the dollar symbol up here. Let's remove the total columns so we can do the totaling ourselves, because now I don't trust the client-wise totals as well. So let's right click on this total here and choose Remove, and it's gone. We need to remove the last row as well with totals for all the months, but there are no options for right click here. To delete rows, we have to go to Reduce Rows group up here, click on Remove Rows and select the option that we want. Currently, we want to delete from the bottom and we wish to only delete one row, the last one. So we write 1 here and press OK. And it's gone. Now since we have made all the corrections we want, we need to bring it in the Excel like a normal table. So we click on this option under Home tab, Close and Load, and here we have our table. Now we can check our totals. Let's add a column in the end here, Totals, and now use the shortcut Alt and the plus symbol and equal to key to sum all the cells in this row. That's done. Let's add a row for totals and the same shortcut again. Let's drag this all the way and yes, we were correct. the totals in our PDF were wrong. It looks like when the sheet was created, when the formula was written for this cell here, instead of copying the formula to all the other cells, the value was pasted or maybe something else happened. Nevertheless, we were able to find the error and fix it. That is how you import tables from PDF to Excel the right way. Just remember, when you save this file, this one contains a link to the PDF that we connected to. So if you wish to use this Excel file later, when maybe that PDF file is deleted or moved, you should better copy and paste this data somewhere else, maybe on another sheet or another file, and then save that file. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, like and share this video, and if you haven't subscribed already, do that. Happy spreadsheeting.